Here's the weekly recap of all the trades that I took from March 23rd to March 27th. The first one, which I took on Monday, I got stopped out pretty quick here, and then it ran to my TP. The reason this one lost is because there was no resweep and there was no SMT divergence. The trade that I took on Tuesday, I believe there was an SMT divergence in this bearish fair value gap with these lows resting below. So I waited for the inverse fair value gap, and then it went straight to my take profit. I believe I didn't take any out here. I believe I took some out here, and then the rest actually was stopped at break even. This is the trade that I took on Wednesday. You can see here, stopped out really quick. I tried to get this IFEG, but it actually didn't invert it, and that was my mistake, and I was quickly stopped out due to it being a bad trade. The second trade that I took on Wednesday, as you see, inverse fair value gap right here. We actually didn't fully inverse it yet, so I should have waited for this one right here and entered a little later. We inverted the little gap right here, but technically there was a little jump in the tick right here. So yeah. The trade that I took on Thursday, only lost $61 on this because this was my original stop, only risking 150. But after we kind of chopped around a lot here, I decided to just take my loss right here for a small loss of 60 bucks. The trade that I took today, which is Friday, I made on this. Obviously, we were bearish on the bigger time frame, so I should have just been looking for shorts. Reason number two that I should not have taken this is we didn't inverse this 5-minute fair value gap, obviously right here. And reason number three, there was no SMT divergence. And reason number four, which is kind of the same thing, is there is no IFEG. So I didn't follow my rules, and I paid the price. Made a dumb trade. Overall, not terrible in the week. You know, we had wins, we had losses. Losses were totally avoidable, just poor execution on my part. And they're just like bad trades, honestly. So negative 88 on the week, you know, green but all the other weeks. It happens. And hope to do better next week. See you all on Monday.